Hey everybody, another weekly update. I've been really busy and a lot of the stuff I've been doing has been, under the car and just really hard to record, so I just haven't recorded. Because it was going to be boring time lapse. But I've done a lot. I spent a lot of freaking time getting the fender off and getting the gravel guard off. Start from in here. I'm happy with how this fender fits, so I need to button it up. This one I just cut out. So I'll getting ready to get it centered on the other side. So I've been working on the hood. I did some Bondo work. What I've done is I've put a 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch welding rod all around this, and I'm going to concave some Bondo here. But because it was tin canned a little bit, I need to fix this first, and I caused some issues. So my Bondo dried too fast when I was spreading it, and then problem. But either way, fenders are disassembled, gravel guard off. Building a support structure is what I'm doing now. So as you can see, these bolt up and they're actually going through the wheel wells and up to here. So either side they go up to here, and I spent a whole lot of time yesterday adjusting these. These are the only supports for the core support currently. They go down to the frame, and I had to be pushed up and back for it to fit the new fenders. So because these are so rotted out, they can kind of sway and fit however. But to get it fitting starting at the back, and I'm taking this notch to the back as far as back as it can go and to fit, which allows it to line up with these holes even though they're hollowed out. And what that's doing is causing a different angle up here, because these seem to be sectioned and just kind of fit with how it was sitting. So either way, this is just sitting in here, and you can see here's my bar. So it's bolting there and it bolts there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld that to the frame. So that cross member will weld to the frame. Maybe I'll create another bolt section, but I don't want to weaken the tube either, so I'm a little hesitant to do that. But either way, that bottom bar for radiator support will be able to be removed. And technically, this top panel still will be removed because it's only bolted in there. But then it will have some structural rigidity with it being tied into the frame. So that just is going to give me some more strength in my overall front end. So it should make a big difference there. But that's on both sides. Took a lot of work. I welded a nut in the top of those, so it just bolts right down. So far, so good. It just took a lot of work. There's a lot of rusty nuts. So it spent a large portion of the day yesterday just getting everything removed so I can start really cranking down on it. So that's pretty much what's been going on this week. I did work on my window regulator a little bit, only to realize I don't have the proper tool to get the clips off of the window regulator handle. So I'll have to do that and finish that up. But yeah, guys. So slow and steady, getting this thing ready. I'm trying to get it ready because I want to paint it. But at the end of the month, I'm going to try to paint it hot rod black. So I need to get some of this metal work done and get these fenders, the gravel guard, and the hood ready to paint. Everything else, I need to put some primer on. Need to do a little work right there and get that door. This thing is not going to be perfect. So, yep. Slowly but surely, guys.